Hello everyone! I am here this weekend in the beautiful Wasatch Mountain State Park, surrounded by the late fall colors. And I thought I was going to talk about maintaining a healthy diet while camping. Tonight I'm going to prepare a stir-fried chicken with ginger broccoli. This is really simple and nutritious meal for prepare. You can even prepare a lot of ingredients at home before you travel to the campsite. Let's start by warming a deep pan with avocado oil. Next, we're going to cook the sliced garlic, white or red onion, and the ginger. Smells nice. Once it begins to soften, you can add a little bit of water. And then add the chicken and mix the ingredients. Turn off the heat and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. You can put a little bit of salt and pepper at this time. Then let's stir in the sliced peppers. The color looks so vibrant. If the mixture starts to dry, just add a little bit of water. And then add the mighty broccoli. And mushroom, and stir until they begin to soften. I really like the color. Then add a teaspoon of sesame oil and then some cashew nuts at this time. This will give a nutty flavor. We're almost finished. Now the final touch. Parsley and spring onion. I do this at the end to give the dish some vibrant green color and add some parsley to taste. You can serve with a salad or some crusty bread with perhaps some olive oils and balsamic vinegar for dipping.
So how did you like this dish? It is truly packed with powerful phytonutrients. When I stir fry, I prefer avocado oil because it contains a high percentage of omega-3 that has anti-inflammatory properties, and it is low in omega-6, which is inflammatory. Avocado oil is stable at high heat, so it is a great oil for high-heat cooking such as stir fry. The first 3 ingredients are great to decrease inflammation and improve cardiovascular health. Onions contain quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties and decreases blood pressure. Garlic contains allicin, which has antibacterial and antioxidant properties and can help lower cholesterol level in the blood. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory functions and helps with digestion. Lean chicken meat is a good protein source, and it is better than red meat such as beef or pork for your health. Just make sure you remove the skin, as the skin contains a lot of saturated fat. Red pepper is high in vitamin C and boosts our immune system. Mushrooms are rich in antioxidants and support our immune system and reduce inflammation. And last, broccoli, or mighty broccoli as I call it, has high amount of sulforaphane, which is great for detox and can even reduce cancer risk. So this dish is full with Mother Nature's healing power with living food, giving us anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, anti-cancer, and boosting our cardiovascular health. I hope that you enjoyed it and continue your healthy lifestyle. See you in the next video.